as it is known to you, 13th onwards we are writing the FA Assessment 2 examination. So whatever the syllabus it is, you have to prepare. So hit the books, hit your books. It means start read the books. So actually that habit we don't have. We have forgot that habit of reading before the examination. We are watching the books. We are very keen on observing Facebook or other things, but we are not reading our textbooks. So start reading textbooks. So prepare well for the examination. And this time we have the chance that we can complete the tool 1 and tool 3 before the examination. Last time, one we have some difficulty that after completing examination tool 1, tool 2, tool 3 we have finished. But this time we have the opportunity to complete tool 1, tool 3 before the examination. So that it is very easy, so the teachers can also evaluate your booklet and you can get the quick results. So for that you complete the tool 1 and tool 3. Okay? Yes.
Attention, Chinese, attention.